What's up guys, I'm Tim Draxler and today I want to demonstrate how to power your phone and use it without a battery. So here is our phone which was falling into the water. So I first think that it has a problem with the ruined PCB, but it wasn't the case. It was a ruined battery. So that was the problem why this phone was not powering on. So uh, I find it kind of interesting that you can use your phone even if you don't have inserted the battery. So how you can do that is pretty simple. You need just two components. First, it's a USB to C type of cable, and you just cut away the C connection, so you are left just with the USB. And the important thing is that you use 10 kilo of resistance, because you need to drop the voltage. That if you power on the phone with 5 volts, you can ruin the whole phone. So it's really important that you use a right voltage. So here is a close-up how this type of connection is wired. You have a red wire which is a positive and a black wire which is negative. So the first connection on the PCB of the phone is the red wire. Then the second one is one leg of the resistor. The third one is negative, and the second leg of the resistor. So for today's demonstration I will use just a normal power bank, and here is the powering on the phone with the power bank. So you just connect the phone into the power bank and you can start up your phone now. Now you can see that the phone is booting up. So alternately you can use also a phone charger with the same resistor, so it doesn't matter. And you can see that the phone will work just normally. So the phone is starting. Okay, and you can see that the phone is working normally. So let's see. You can see it's 100% of charge because it's getting the right charging, or the power, because you're not charging the phone, because you don't have obviously the battery. So if you want to transfer the files from the phone to your computer, you can do that just with a regular data cable. So you insert it into the phone and you connect it to your computer, and that's it. And now you can see that the phone thinks it's charging because it's connected via USB cable to the computer. And now you can access your data from the phone. That was it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time on the next video. Ciao!